Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to set Google as the home page on Google Chrome. So let's get started. So if you want to set Google or any website as the home page whenever the browser opens, I can just click on this three dots right here, and from here I'll go to the settings, and from here I can select on startup. If you already have a specific page as a default, you can just delete that, and then you can click on open a specific page or set a page. And from here I'll click on add a new page, and right here www.google.com here, and just add this, and then just get rid of this, and then just go back, close the browser and try to reopen this. Just select your profile where you have made the settings, and you are good to go. Now we have Google as our home page. So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.